I am a peaceful working man. I am not wise or strong, but I can follow nature's plan in labor, rest, and song. One day the men that rule us all decided we must die, else pride and freedom surely fall in the dim by and by. They told me I must write my name upon a scroll of death, that someday I should rise to fame by giving up my breath. I do not know what I have done, that I should thus be bound to wait for tortures one by one, and then an unmarked mound. I hate no man, and yet they say that I must fight and kill, that I must suffer day by day to please a master's will. I used to have a conscience free, but now they bid it rest. They've made a number out of me, and I must ne'er protest. They tell of trenches long and deep, filled with the mangled slain. They talk till I can scarcely sleep, so reeling is my brain. They tell of filth and blood and woe, of things beyond belief, of things that make me tremble so, with mingled fright and grief. I do not know what I shall do. Is not the law unjust? I can't do what they want me to, and yet they say I must. Each day my doom doth nearer bring, each day the state prepares. Sometimes I feel a watching thing that stares and stares and stares. I never seem to sleep, my head whirls in the queerest way. Why am I chosen to be dead upon some fateful day? Yet hark, some fibre is awrought, a giddying whine I quaff. Things seem so odd, I can do naught but laugh and laugh.